Welcome to Fucking Tech. Today we're going to take a look at a keyboard. Now this is the glorious gaming PC Master Race GMMK full size ice white keycaps and silver bottom. And the best thing I like this, hold on. Let's do a fake unboxing. Here we go. That's the box. Glorious PC Race. Okay. I think the site is gloriousgaming.com. GMMK full size. What's that silver? Glorious modular mechanical keyboard. Wow, okay. Right. Aluminum body. Fully modular switches. RGB LED backlight. All right. That's what I like. In the back we got. Now this is in fact the US ANSI USB 2 Gateron Brown switches, removable keycaps and all that stuff. And this is the box in the back, nothing crazy. Now what's in the box? Now this is a fake unboxing as I have been using this keyboard for 2 years. You got a phone that comes covering the keyboard. You got a dust cover. Rigid plastic dust cover, which you also have with Ducky keyboards, but comes with GMMK, which is fantastic, absolutely fantastic. Some sticker. Ascend. We got some marketing stuff. Glorious PC gaming rooms. What do we have here? All right. Welcome to the Glorious Legion. Okay. So we got user guide. We got some how to replace switches on the GMMK. We got some more marketing for other products. And we have a key switch, puller, and some extra rubber feet you can put on the bottom of the keyboard. There's also a switch puller that you can put on the bottom of the keyboard. All right, so close this. Put this away. And the best thing about this keyboard, a feature that you may not know about, is when you have cockroaches running about between there, the keycaps are very good to squish them. You can actually do that. And this keyboard is efficient at that. And I have been using this for 2 years. So before going to the rest of the features and whatnot, let's give it a cleaning. All right, now it's all clean. Well, sort of. That's not too bad after 2 years of use. Now, one thing for sure is this is a nice keyboard. I mean, it looks good with the... look at the reflections. Just reflecting on the silver bottom. It's pretty. It's pretty. And you got some silver edge here that reflects some light. And... I think it looks pretty damn good. When it's clean, it's very nice. And in the night, in the dark, very, very cool. Now, if you look at this, you're gonna see some missing keys here. Well, that's the reason why I bought the keyboard. Well, actually, it's not the reason why, but I mean, it's the last keyboard I could find. I got this. Why I bought this is for a project. So I don't mind the missing keys, not at all. And this is the tab key is missing. It's like the glorious logo key. So I'm not gonna use that anyways because I bought this to replace my Zuki Plus, which has RGB but one color per row. and uses the it has the universal kale sockets instead of the Otimu sockets, and this one also has the universal sockets instead of the Otimu sockets. So I'm going to replace all this anyway, so I don't care about the keycaps, and the switches are going to be replaced also. So all this is going to be removed because this is a modular keyboard. You can remove the switches. Now I managed to get this at Canada Computers for $80 Canadian. It was a demonstration keyboard, which it was set up in front with the demonstration computers, and that's how I got it so cheap. And they had to go clean it before they gave it to me, which is funny. And so very cheap, very nice. So I got this because I wanted full RGB with universal sockets. And I'm gonna put some other keys and switches in this. All right. So how does this keyboard feel? Well, this one has Gateron Brown switches, which is tactile and silent. And the keys are ABS keys. They feel very when typing. It feels very light, very clacky and light. Doesn't feel thocky at all. It's very clacky and light. Types fast. It's very good. I don't feel like I'm impeded by the keyboard, so it's very nice. It's actually like as is. I mean, it's okay. Like it's not a super end game keyboard, but it's reasonable. It's enjoyable somewhat. It's somewhat enjoyable. So it's not too bad. Now the things I don't see, when you're sitting down, you look at the keyboard, you can't see the caps lock or num lock indicators over here. So what does this indicate? Like, is it? Oh, okay. It's a caps lock. Okay, and that's a num lock, and then the other one is to when you lock your keyboard for gaming there with the function Windows key to lock out some keys when you're gaming. So I mean, these are pointless. I mean, I don't even know which one it is, and when you're sitting down, you can't see them anyways. Like if you look at an angle, you can't see them. They could put them over here or something, or I don't know. It's just maybe you don't really look at your keyboard that much, but I mean it's not great. So I don't know. So aside from that, I mean it's fine. USB cable doesn't come out. It's fixed. It's you can't pull it out. However, in the back, you do have channels. You can channel it on either side, the left or the right, so it can come back on the left or the back. And you have a key switcher that's here. I took it out because I don't know, put it in my stuff. You got little feet to prop it up. You got rubber feet, and you have some extra rubber feet in the box to replace those if you need to. Now, let's look at the colors a little bit, the RGB functions. Now you have the function key over here, and you got the up, down, and left, right for different features. So function down reduces the light intensity. Function up goes 1, 2, 3 levels of intensity. Function left is to reduce speed of the effect, and function right is to increase the speed. There's normally like 3 levels. If you go too far, if you see it says it when they all blink, it says you reach maximum. But there's like 3 levels of speed. So let's go to the through the effects. So I got some now we're top speed just so you can see the effect. Just full colors. Now there's 3 effects per keys in this block here when you press the function key. With the insert, this is the second one on the insert, just like a breathing effect. Third one on the insert is like a fixed rainbow. Something like that, yeah. Now insert function home. Now this is like a ripple effect. Kick ass. If you know one of my other videos. This one, function home again. Now this one is, find my password. Guess my password. And then you got function home again, which lights up each row. All right, now function page up. There's like a wavy thing. Let's reduce the speed here. Ooh. Okay, it's a little bit blocky as an effect, but then we got another kind of wave. Spiral. It comes in and out. Okay, another function page up. So we got like a raindrop effect. Function del. It's like a side wave. Function del. It's changing colors. Function del again. Now it's like a spiral rainbow type of thing. And function end. This is like random colors on each keys. Another type of pattern there. This is way from up to down. We got function page down, which is woo. All right. Okay, it's like a Night Raider type of effect from left to right. Page down, full color. Does this change color or is it supposed to be white? I'm not sure. Oh yeah, it changes color. I think this is a fixed color you can change, or is it? No, maybe not. Okay, so I guess it slowly changes colors to white, green. Okay, this is very slow. Unified color. All right, so that's what it looks like. This is my favorite effect here, just this slow random colors everywhere. All right, so this is what it looks like. It's I like this, so I can't wait to actually build this with the with my just follow the look for the next video to see what I'm doing with this. It's gonna somewhat look like the I forget what I call the other one. I give them names, project names. So all right, so that's what it looks like. All right, now let's take a look at the software. Before that though, the keys, the longer keys, like the shift enter, they can cave in. So one side can go lower than the other. There's something not quite right there with the fitting. You can press on the other side, it'll pop back out, but I mean it's something that doesn't stay equal with the keys. So there's that. Now let's take a look at the software. Now we are end of December 2024. Now if you look at the gloriousgaming.com website to actually find what you need as the software for the keyboard, the GMMK 1. This is the one. They have other models now and their software is different. And this software, well, this keyboard is basically unsupported as of now, sort of. So what you gotta do is you gotta go in your in the product guides. All right, you go to support, product guides, it brings you here. Now you gotta go keyboard guides on the right side there. GMMK 1, so we got the full size. Let's go to the full size. Now this gives you all the key combinations and all the effects and all that stuff. And it's slow. Okay, all right. So GMMK 1 full size. Here we go. So we got the software. The keyboard editor, GMMK keyboard editor. What's this? Okay, yeah, you gotta go, when you click on it, it goes to legacy software. You can also find that in the downloads. software, legacy software, you got to go to all the way down. This is not it. The Glorious Core V1, that's not what you want because it doesn't work for GMMK 1. Go down. Then you got GMMK 1 full size. So you got 2 downloads there. There's an ANSI layout and the ISO layout. ISO, I think they have like the large enter key. So there's that. Now let's go back here. I think the original GMMK was black. So what we have here is the ice white. So how to key? So you got my computer, web browser, so function key and all these. I use a lot the calculator, function key and F3. Then other commands, you can factory reset function escape, then F1, F3, F5, hold for 10 seconds. And then you can toggle the N key mode. That's how many keys you can use at once or how many devices the computer sees. It's it wouldn't play with that. So all your effects are here. So function insert, function del, home, page down, page in, as we just demonstrated. LED commands, you can change the LED brightness, function up, down, and there's 4 levels. I thought it was 3, there is 4. The speed, and then you get the cycle light colors. You can choose the colors, function equal, and function negative. I forgot about that. And turn off LEDs is function escape. So there we go. Now, if we look at the actual software, here we go. Boom. That's what you get when you open it. So what you see on screen with the software is actually what you get on the keyboard. The keyboard displays the same thing. Might not be totally in sync with the waves and all that stuff, but it's the same effect. So all your effects are there. You got the wave 1, wave 2. Then you can modify all the settings, and then you got 3 profiles to save as. So all your effects are there. So you got the rainbow. And there's a couple of things you can do here in the software that you cannot do directly on the keyboard. Okay, this is called heart rate sensor. On the bottom, you got the USB report rate. So probably change that. I think by default it's 125. Change that to 1,000 pulls per second there if you're going to do gaming and stuff like that. Now, normally on, get this. You can change the colors. And there we go. So it's like it's everything's there. Digital times. And there's some custom. What you can do with the custom. Yeah, you got the custom modes. RTS. Yeah, you can like lit up keys as you want there. Anyways, I haven't played with this. Ping pong. Yeah, there we go. You got the ping pong there. Glorious mode. You can choose the direction. Yeah, there's a... So I'm not sure how the macros work. Macro settings, I haven't played. I don't really use this. I don't know if that's good for gaming or whatnot. Maybe I could explore this, but the software allows this. So you can add so macro name. Okay. So I never really played with that. So that's that's all of the. There's nothing else on the software. That's pretty much it. I mean, it's you can. What's colorful? See the colorful. Well, maybe you can with the function equal and function minus. You can change this probably. Okay, I thought this wasn't available on the keyboard, but maybe it is. So, anyways, that's. It's the Matrix 3. That's the one I prefer. Yeah, this one is nice. You can change direction. I don't know what direction. What's the direction for this? Is there a direction? Oh, colorful. Oh, okay. We don't see it on the screen right now, but the keyboard is like one color. Okay, so there's there's a. Okay, I'm not sure how to. Rainbow Matrix 3. Okay, come on. Ah, okay. You can toggle with the function equal. Okay, there we go. All right. So I guess you can do everything with the keyboard, but anyways, the software is there. So that's pretty much it. It's very basic. I'm not sure. Yeah. So basically, this is software is not updated at all. So there's no updates for this. This is old stuff. So that's it. This is the GMMK 1 full size 104 keys ice white.
FuckingTech.com